Have you noticed your body feeling tighter, weaker, slower, and more tired lately? Low energy, stiff hips, weak core, poor posture, no stamina, and even low confidence? What if I told you that just a few simple bodyweight exercises could fix most of these problems naturally, without equipment, without the gym, and without spending hours training? In today's video, I'll show you powerful exercises that improve flexibility, mobility, pelvic strength, posture, endurance, blood flow, balance, and total body control. These movements are simple, beginner-friendly, and incredibly effective if you stay consistent. Before we begin, comment your name and age below, and tell me which body part feels the weakest right now. Let's start rebuilding your body together. First exercise, rocking frog stretch. This is one of the best stretches for tight hips, stiff inner thighs, and poor mobility. Most people sit for hours every day, and that destroys hip flexibility over time. The rocking frog stretch opens the hips, improves pelvic movement, and reduces lower body tightness. Start on all fours. Spread your knees wide apart while keeping your feet in line with your knees. Place your elbows on the floor and slowly rock your body forward and backward. Move gently and stay controlled. You'll feel a deep stretch in your groin and hips. Don't rush it. Breathe slowly. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. This exercise improves mobility, flexibility, posture, and pelvic movement. It also helps your lower back feel less stiff and improves overall body movement. Next, butterfly yoga pose. Simple exercise, massive benefits. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet and gently press your knees toward the ground. Keep your back straight and breathe deeply. This stretch targets your hips, inner thighs, pelvic area, and lower back. It improves flexibility, blood circulation, and body relaxation. Many people also use this movement to reduce tension caused by long sitting hours. Hold this pose for 40 seconds. If your hips are tight, your body loses movement quality. That's why this stretch is extremely important. Now let's activate the glutes and core with glutes bridge. Lie flat on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms beside your body. Push through your heels and lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top, then slowly lower down. This exercise strengthens the glutes, lower back, core, hamstrings, and pelvic muscles. Weak glutes can lead to lower back pain, poor posture, low athletic performance, and body imbalance. Do 15 slow repetitions. Focus on control, not speed. Next exercise, scissors. This movement looks easy, but your core will definitely feel it. Lie on your back and place your hands under your hips. Lift both legs slightly off the ground and begin crossing them over each other in a scissor motion. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. This exercise strengthens the lower abs, hip flexors, core stability, and lower body endurance. It also improves control and coordination. Do this for 30 seconds. If you want a stronger core and better lower body control, this movement is a must. Now it's time to raise the intensity with mountain climbers. Get into a push-up position. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders and your body straight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs like you're running. Stay fast but controlled. Mountain climbers are incredible for fat burning, stamina, endurance, core strength, shoulder stability, and full body conditioning. This exercise also improves heart health and overall athletic performance. Do this for 30 to 40 seconds. You'll feel your entire body working. And now, one of the most underrated bodyweight exercises ever, horse stance. This old-school movement builds leg strength, endurance, balance, mental toughness, and lower body stability. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat position until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Hold this position. Your legs will start shaking. That's normal. The horse stance strengthens the thighs, glutes, hips, knees, and core. It also improves posture, stability, and body control. Hold for 30 seconds. Over time, your endurance and leg strength will improve dramatically. Now here's the truth. Most people search for complicated workouts, expensive programs, and shortcuts. But the real transformation comes from mastering simple movements consistently. These exercises may look basic, but together they improve flexibility, posture, mobility, stamina, core strength, balance, blood flow, and total body performance. If you do them regularly, your body will start feeling stronger, lighter, more flexible, and more energized. Start with 1 round today. Consistency beats intensity. Stay active, stay strong.